Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Bluetooth connected but the sound is coming from the PC. You've connected your PC to the Bluetooth, it says it's connected but the sound is still coming from the PC. So what do? The first thing you can do is to set Bluetooth device as default. How do you do this? Open your sound setting. So search for sound in the start menu, in the Windows search bar actually. Search for sound. So we have sound settings, so we have to search for sound settings. Click on sound settings and then you can see choose your inputs. Now we're looking for output, so choose your output. Here you go, and then you choose the name of the Bluetooth device you want to use. As you can see, I'm not connecting any Bluetooth device to it, so that's why it's only showing me my speakers. But if you have a Bluetooth device connected, you say choose your output device, and you can see this option for Bluetooth device, name of the Bluetooth device. Then the next thing you're gonna do is you can also test the sound by playing some audio to see if it now plays through your Bluetooth device. So if it doesn't, the next thing you're gonna do is to check your Bluetooth support service. Now how do you do this? Let's go to the beginning. So to do this, you have to first press Windows key and the arrow key at the same time to open up this, and then next thing you're gonna do is locate Bluetooth support device. Okay, before I can do that, you have to press services.msc. So services, type in services.msc, enter. So the next thing we're gonna do is, so you're gonna select Bluetooth support services in the list. Let's see, I don't see Bluetooth support services. Let's check. Alright, this is Bluetooth support services. So this is it. You're going to double tap on it, and next thing you're going to do is set the startup type to automatic. Startup type is manual, so you set it to automatic. So we have two, automatic and automatic delay start. So you choose the one you want, and after setting it up to automatic, you click start if it is not already running, and then you click apply and then OK. So simple as that. So the next thing you're gonna do is you can also try to update or reinstall your Bluetooth driver. Now how do you do that? Open your device manager, then expand Bluetooth and find your Bluetooth device, and then right click on the Bluetooth device and select update driver, then follow the on-screen instruction. Then another thing you can do is to reinstall the driver if it is necessary. If updating the driver doesn't work, then right click on the driver, select uninstall device, click the box to delete the driver or software, and then restart your computer. So Windows should automatically reinstall the driver. Now another thing you can do is to restart Bluetooth and computer. Turn off your Bluetooth and then restart the computer. So once you've done that, you should be able to connect again. Then try connecting your Bluetooth device to the computer again. If that doesn't work again, try the troubleshoot Bluetooth device. How? Check your device battery. Ensure your Bluetooth device has sufficient battery. Then restart your device. Try restarting your Bluetooth device, that is the headphone or the speakers or whatever you're using. And then, if possible, try connecting another Bluetooth device to see if it works. If it works, please if that particular one you used before that's having a problem. If it doesn't work, that means the issue persists. What you do is check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. And then, if that doesn't still work out, contact device manufacturer. If you've tried all the above steps and the problem continues, tried all the steps I've mentioned, and the problem continues, then contact the manufacturer of your Bluetooth device for support. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.